Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Telegram group secure and organized, it's important to manage your invite links, especially those that have been revoked. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to permanently delete a revoked invite link from your Telegram group on the PC app, following the latest update. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, find and open the group where you're an admin. Only admins have the ability to manage invite links, so double-check your permissions if you don't see the right options. Once you're inside your group, look to the top right corner of the chat window and click on the three dots. This opens a drop-down menu with several management options. From the drop-down, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group settings page, where you can control various aspects of your group. Now, look for the section labeled Invite Links. Click on it to see a list of all the invite links that have been created for your group, including any that have already been revoked. Find the revoked link you want to delete. You'll see three dots next to each link. Click on the three dots next to the revoked link you want to remove. A small menu will appear. Select Delete from this menu. Telegram will ask you to confirm this action to prevent accidental deletions. Confirm your choice by clicking Delete again. Once you do, the revoked link will be permanently removed from your group's invite list. Finally, click Done to exit the settings and return to your group chat. That's it. You've successfully deleted a revoked invite link, helping to keep your group safe and clutter-free. Managing your group's invite links is a simple but powerful way to maintain control over who can join and keep your community secure. If this guide helped you, consider sharing it with other group admins who might need a hand. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.